This is the little story of two monkeys. I'm good actually, yes.
What you got?
Oh yeah, we will have
Oh, wow.
Are you tired?
No.
No way.
How long have you been touring?
About 20 years.
I know. You know, I saw you in 1983 in France.
Yeah, we haven't stopped since. Oh yeah, what's this guy here though? See his shadow here though?
Yeah, I know, he's a friend of mine.
I've never seen this, so I want to see
No,
this.
it's incredible.
Honestly. Look at that. Okay. Well, that's pornographic almost, but well, that is definitely pornographic.
Yeah, it's
So,
Con los dedos.
Triple X.
In a minute.
I tell you, there's porno stuff going over here. You can't. Yeah. The shadows. Let's see the shadow shoot.
Esto es histórico porque
Uy.
tú lo habías visto. Es el show especial del Jorge. ¿Verdad? Bravo.
Excellent.
I hope you enjoy, and the force be with you always.